Hey everyone, welcome to the part 1 of my building a snake game in Python series. In this episode, we will set up our environment, install Pygame and create the game window. By the end of this video, you will have a blank game screen ready for action. If you are new here, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next parts where we will add movement, food and scoring. So first, let's create the directory. I'll call it snake game and let's open up with the VS Code. So here I'm using the VS Code editor and you can use any editor you like. Then we are going to create our first file, main file. We also need to install the Pygame, so I will be installing that with pip install Pygame. We will create the project git repository as well. First we will import Pygame, then to test this is working, I am going to print a simple message. We can give the string as Pygame imported successfully. Now let's run this. So here you can see I have mistakenly created the wrong directory git repository. So let's fix this. Let's move inside the snake game directory and make it a git repository. Now let's run our main file. So you can see we get the Pygame imported successfully printed, so that means our application is working. Now I'm going to remove this print message. Now we are going to create a simple window where our game will run. So first we will initialize Pygame with Pygame init and we will define width, height, then we will declare a window with this width and height. For the caption of the display we will set snake game. So it will set the title at the top of the window. So we will next going to set up the clock, so it will help us to control the frame rate, and after that we have to use the game loop. So in games we use this game loop. It keeps the window open and update the game continuously until we close it, so we need this loop. So in each iteration we will get the event, and first we check whether it is a quit event. So if it's a quit event, we are going to just quit the game and exit. So Otherwise, we will first fill the window with black background, and each time we have to update the display. And then we are going to set the FPS, that means the frames per second. So it will run the loop 10 times per second. So that's what it says. So awesome job, guys. You just built the foundation of our snake game. So now let's run it. So you can see here we now only get a blank black screen because we haven't implemented anything yet. So we just close the application, and our application is now running, and we can implement the other things on top of it. And we are going to add our file to the GitHub repository. So we first need to add it, then we can check the status of the file. So you can see it is not yet committed, so I'm going to commit it with commit. And for the message, we are going to provide initialize the game. Yes, now we have committed the file. So again, awesome job, guys. So if this was helpful, leave a like and comment. Say part you need to see part 2 in the comment section. So I know you are following along, so don't forget to subscribe and check the playlist. Again, thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.